In this video, we're checking out a $25 rechargeable air duster that could replace those expensive cans of compressed air. It's effective, budget-friendly, and worth sharing. This is not a sponsored video, it's simply a product that I bought and I think you'll appreciate. I'm John, and welcome to Wagner's Tech Talk. Everyone is likely familiar with cans of compressed air like this one. They work good, but don't last very long, get cold really quick, they're becoming very expensive, and I always seem to lose the straw attachments like I did with this one. I recently went on Amazon to search for another can of air as this one is running low. Interestingly enough, the first item in the list was a rechargeable air duster. The price is around $10 more than a 3-pack of cans of air, and I may never have to buy another one. This was starting to sound pretty interesting. I found one for about $25. It was ranked number 1 in new releases. 6,000 were bought in the past month and had a solid 5-star rating. The fan runs at 100,000 RPMs, charges over USB-C, has a built-in LED light, and has 3 different power levels. The reviews on this product were exceptional, so I had to give it a try. The model I picked up is the VC023. It includes 5 different nozzles and 3 brushes. It has a 7500 mAh battery built in and can run continuously for about 20 to 40 minutes depending on the speed setting, and recharges in about 3 or 4 hours. It includes a USB-C to USB-A cable, but no power adapter. I think one of the greatest features, though, of this device is all the included nozzles that make it even more useful than a can of air. There are 3 different size brushes, as well as a nozzle with a brush, which is great for getting all the junk out of your keyboard. The booklet recommends a 5-volt, 2.4 amp USB charger. The duster looks pretty cool, and it's really easy to operate. You just press and hold the trigger button for about 3 seconds, and it starts up in the lowest setting. A quick press of the button goes to the medium setting, and a third press to the highest setting. The LED light stays on when it's powered up. It puts out a pretty strong flow of air, especially at its highest level. Using the nozzles, you can direct the airflow into a thin stream. One of the nozzles can be used for airing up an exercise ball. All around, there are a nice assortment of included nozzles, in my opinion. On the back of the duster is the USB-C port for charging. To turn it off, just press and hold the button for another 3 seconds, and that's all there is to it. Over the years, I've had to replace fans and laptops because I wasn't consistently cleaning them. Not maintaining proper airflow can cause overheating and eventual failure, which can lead to expensive repairs or replacement. This is my daily laptop, and you can see it was severely neglected, but the duster cleared it up well. The other intake was also clogged, and it's a good thing I got to it when I did. I leave my laptop open daily with an external keyboard attached, and you can tell it's been a while since it's been dusted. Using the nozzle with the brush made the cleanup a cinch. At this point, I was getting duster happy and went around finding anything that might need some cleaning. I decided to clean out the dry bays on my NAS, dust those hard to clean areas in my car, my Legends Pinball 4KP virtual pinball machine. My son's projector was also badly clogged. The duster likely saved it from overheating. With 3 dogs and 4 cats in the house, the back of our TV seemed to be pet hair magnets. I took the duster to the back of the living room TV, and it certainly needed a good cleaning. And the TV in the bedroom didn't fare much better. After running the duster for quite a while, I still had 2 bars of charge remaining. When you're done, just connect the USB-C cable and you'll be ready for the next session. The fan is a bit loud. I'll bring up the audio to normal levels so you can hear it. I'm extremely happy with this purchase. I won't be buying any more compressed cans of air. The duster does exactly what I need and will save a lot of money in the months and years ahead. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. All of those things really help the channel. And with that, I look forward to talking with you again very soon.